Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Git, Vscode, and a GitHub account. Once ready, open Vscode and press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette, type Git, clone and paste the repo URL. Choose a local folder so files are downloaded. This approach uses Vscode's built-in Git, which immediately wires up the Git folder so you can see branches and history. Make sure to sign into GitHub in the source control pane so authentication is smoother when you push or pull. Once cloned, configure identity and authentication so commits attribute correctly. Run git config user. Name and user. Email or use Vscode settings. If you prefer SSH, generate an SSH key with SSH keygen, add the public key to GitHub, and confirm SSH tgit at GitHub.com. If you use HTTPS, enable the Git Credential Manager or Vscode's GitHub authentication so you won't retype credentials. Then create a feature branch with Git Checkout B, or use the You're ready to finish. Stage changes in the source control pane, write a concise commit message, and push to the remote branch. Once pushed, open a pull request on GitHub or use Vscode's GitHub pull requests extension to create and review it. Make sure to pull recent changes before merging to avoid conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if authentication or push errors occur, verify Git Remote V, confirm your SSH key or credential manager is active, and run Git pull rebase to integrate upstream changes before retrying the push.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.